Hi, it's August 17th. I'd like to show you some updates to my MonthDayHour calendar program. It's a perpetual calendar. You'll notice the big thing is the backgrounds behind the calendar spaces. And it's possible to have a different background for each month of the year. And you can select a picture as your background. So let me show you how we do that. If we go to the settings, you'll see that in September I'm using the fall JPEG, and this is where I have it stored. So all you have to do is open up the browser, and I'm going to change the JPEG to this. Okay. Or you can change it to whatever background you like. That's the biggest thing. I've also been working on adding foreground colors for the lettering, for the titles, and for the day contents. We also have a font size for the day font and a font size for the title fonts. I'm not going to show that for now. It's not working quite right, but you can also choose to get rid of the backgrounds by selecting the opaque backgrounds. Okay, and we can close that settings form by hitting the X button. But I've also added some buttons here on the toolbar so you can go scrolling from one month to the next. And one of my favorite pictures is in November of an Arctic fox. There is several kinds of data that's hid behind the calendar. You have data for each particular day that you want to show something, but you also have repeating data. So if I want to show the yearly repeating data, you'll see it has something like for the different holidays that are always on the same date, like Thanksgiving Day or Christmas Day or January 1st. But you can also create monthly items. In this case, I said transfer banking funds on that day. Weekly or daily items. Now, daily items is if you have something like you have a meeting that stretches over a couple of 2 or 3 days, and that'll go across the calendar. The weekly setting will put, you want to do the same activity on Wednesday, for example, and you set the number of weeks, and then once you get done with setting the data, you come up here, you tell it to build the repeating file, and now when you go to the month that you're interested in, your new repeating data will be ready for display. Anyway, I'm getting close to releasing this, so I hope you're interested, and take care, and see you soon.